What's going on, YouTubers? Micro Scale Garage, and we're working on the ECX Barrage 1.9. This is the ECX Barrage 222002 axle kits. This is for the 1.9 scale kit. If you got the axle shafts for the ready to run kit, it's a shorter axle. And then the Gen 2, I think it's a completely different axle for the Gen 2. It might be harder and shorter, but as you can see, mine's bent. But I just wanted to let you guys know real quick, when you take out the old ones, you got to take out an E-clip on the bearing to get the bearing off the shaft, because the new ones don't come with bearings, so you got to put the bearings on the shaft. So we're going to do that right now, and we're going to install it. I wonder if I can pause my video. Alright, so just like that, get it on there, and then we'll go ahead and we'll install the axles back in there on the diff. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do that one-handed. I am going to have to pause it again. Alright, now that we got our new axle shafts installed, I didn't even take the axles completely off. I just took the servo off the bottom of the bracket and just kind of swiveled the plate out of the way so I can get the front casing on. Now I just got to probably going to put some more grease in there, and then we'll just grab our front casing. Just like so. I mean, there is enough grease in there, but I do want to add a little bit more grease in there. I mean, it might still got grease. Yeah, it's pretty well greased up. And then we'll go ahead and we'll bolt these down. Let's see here, where is one of my screwdrivers? See if I can go in we'll get all four of those bolted down, and then we'll get the truck running and we'll get ready to take it out, and this truck will be back running. But this is just a quick way of, that way you don't have to take your axles completely off. Like I said, servo there, I just took the two bottom screws that go to the metal plate, just kind of jimmy my screwdriver to the side over here, unbolted, drop the servo down, drop the suspension off the suspension tree right here, you know, pull the suspension up, and then I was able to take the four bolts off and then take the cover off the front axle. That way you can change out your axle shafts and everything. But alright, you guys, that's going to be a quick little video real quick of the ECX Barrage 1.9. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, peace and love. God bless. Monday, our crawl video, we're going to be doing it. I got the GoPro. I'm still working on the GoPro a little bit. It's not recognizing the little USB slot. Got a little like janky when I plug it in. Kind of messes up on me. But either way, you guys, hopefully I'll get that running. If not, I'm going to try and use my phone and try and get some cool shots with the phone, because I really like the camera. I can zoom in and stuff and everything like that. But alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.